activations are where it's at. I mean, this is one of the only places, I think, in the entire state of Hawaii where you have county government, officials from the state, even federal government sometimes, nonprofit partners, all coming directly to community to share updates on things that matter to community and also provide important information and resources.
Current status right now is we're in the permitting phase. We've submitted all our permit applications. We have the funding appropriated already. We requested the funds to be released already. Our environmental assessment has been completed. And so we are targeting starting the dredging project, putting it out to bid in December, and hopefully starting construction in February or March of next year. And we expect it to take between 6 to 9 months to complete the project.
Through collaboration with FEMA, we've been able to work through the draft environmental assessment that FEMA released in August and September. They received a lot of robust public comments, and they've been working through those public comments. Out of that process, we are expecting FEMA to release a final environmental assessment over the next few weeks, and that will really help the baton to be passed from FEMA over to the county. Public Works, Department of Water Supply, they're going to finish the design, they're going to get things ready for bidding, and that helps us to get started on the construction schedule and start the work for the roads and waterline restoration. If you want to know where to find information and also the timeline for the projects, make sure to check out our website, recovery.hawaiicounty.gov.
I actually enjoy hobnobbing with the bigwigs who actually can make a difference, who can, like, you know, if I see, say for example, Ashley or Iligan, I can say, hey, look, this is our project, we really need help with us, please back us.
Well, I think it is important because you can find out more about things that are going on in the community.
We're excited just to connect with people, to learn more about our environment, our surroundings, to be with like-minded people, and to share a beautiful day like today.